just to kind of build that muscle, because a lot for most people I've noticed that's the muscle that is the scariest. That is the thing most people try to avoid, and it's understandable. I definitely think if there's some kind of ratio, like adding some percentage points, I think I don't know what your thoughts are, EP, on this, but like, I think it's important for everyone to have a little bit of even if they're not in the most ideal situation, some kind of asking for money muscle a little bit throughout, even if their site's not 100% ranked yet, just to kind of build that muscle, because a lot for most people I've noticed that's the muscle that is the scariest. That is the thing most people try to avoid, and it's understandable. Trust me, like no one likes that stuff, but I think it's important to add a little bit of that ratio, because you can think about it this way. This is the easiest way to put it. If I made 200 offers to businesses this week, the chance of me closing business is really, really high. Even if it's 1%, that means I closed 2 clients, right? If 1% of those people said yes. If I built 200 websites this week, but I do not do anything to monetize, there's a 0% chance I make money. And so just make sure you have a little bit of that balance. I'm not saying to go completely on one end or the other, but if you're more of a sales person, and you're more into calls, maybe add a little bit more percentage points to building, and vice versa for those who are building a lot of sites here. Just add a little bit of that muscle and just get creative with it. Maybe it's not even a hard offer. Maybe it's just, hey, I'm working on this site, I'm not done with it, it's going to start ranking for these terms, let me know if you're interested. Just anything. Yeah. Hey, I'm trying to build a relationship in the area. I noticed that you're in the city. I've lived in the city for 25 years. I know right now times are tough for small businesses. I think I have something that can help you. Let me know if you want to connect. Like, it doesn't have to be so just try to make friends almost. Like, just try to make some kind of contacts. I think those are important right now.
Yeah, and also really let you know that you're in a real business. Like, we have a great product to sell, which are leads. Like, everybody, like, that's the most valuable thing. Right. So at least we have that. We're not out here selling like a skincare product that people could live without. Like, we're talking about leads, right? And also, it's like that scary thing that if you are able to do it, it's also the thing that's gonna make you more and more passionate about this business, and it's gonna be the exciting thing. So yeah, I totally agree with like making more offers is the thing that when I started doing it and I got addicted to that high of being able to make offers into the marketplace, that's when my business really started to take off, because I became obsessed with this business even more so than just being by myself, like building websites. When you're actually going into the marketplace and getting real actual feedback from real business owners, like you really feel like you have a real business in your hands.
Yeah.